Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to record meetings with Krisp AI in 2026. If you want to save your meetings, generate transcripts, and review important discussions later, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Krisp AI application and sign in to your account. Make sure the app is running before you start or join your online meeting. Next, select your microphone and speakers inside Krisp AI. Turn on noise cancellation to improve the audio quality before the meeting begins. Now open your meeting platform, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, and join your meeting. Verify that Krisp microphone is selected as your input device if required. If your Krisp plan includes the AI meeting assistant or meeting recording feature, enable it before or at the beginning of the meeting. Krisp will automatically capture the conversation, generate a transcript, and create AI-powered meeting notes. During the meeting, speak clearly and encourage participants to do the same for the best recording and transcription quality. After the meeting ends, open your Krisp dashboard to review the recording, transcript, and AI-generated summary. You can search the transcript, review key points, and share the notes with your team if needed. Finally, organize your recordings by giving each meeting a clear title so they're easy to find later. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to record meetings with Krisp AI step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.